Greetings everyone, welcome to Ella's Nutrition. Thank you for picking interest in viewing my post. I'm grateful. We'll be making what I call premium vegetable stew today. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly support us by subscribing and putting on your notification bell. Let's dive into making this stew. First off, you properly wash and slice your tomatoes the way you want, then your onions the way you want, then put your pot on fire. Please ignore this our old cooking pots. We've been using it for so long. Then allow your oil to heat, then add your onions, allow it to heat, then add your tomatoes. Initially to look as if there's no oil, but leave it, allow to fry for some time. The oil will not situate on top of the tomatoes, then you're good. Add your fresh pepper, your ginger and garlic powder, your curry powder, your turmeric powder. These are healthy ingredients, natural. Then this one now is the main seasoning that I'm going to be using, Benny and Kitchen Glory. Then there's a natural ingredients as well, nutmeg that I love using. Yeah, you add it, then add your seasoning cube and salt. You're good to go. You now stir it around and allow to incorporate together. Then you go back and prep your veggies. So this is our green peas, neatly washed and diced, our carrots, neatly washed and diced, our green bell pepper. You can add red, yellow, any bell pepper you want is good. This is our spring onions, this is our cabbage, yeah, and our meat. Goat meat, I'll be using goat meat. You can use any protein of your choice. So I'll go ahead to season my goat meat so it will be tasty. Yeah, yeah, add whatever you want to add. Allow to cook while your stew is getting ready in the other hand. Yeah, so that's it. I have a leftover chicken which I got from the fridge and added to my stew. At this point here, then add my goat meat, allow to boil for some time, then I start adding my vegetables. Yeah, the veggies that I diced. You can add any vegetable of your choice. You can add, I usually add the lettuce to this meal, but I couldn't, my money was not enough when I was getting things from the market, so I skipped it. You can add any veggies you want, apart from pumpkin. You can add anyone you want. So basically this is how to prepare this stew. Just go ahead to add all the veggies. Remember, I added green peas first. You add your green peas first and allow to boil because that one is a bit hard. Yeah, that's just the reason. You add it first, then after adding the other vegetables at the end, you just stir and your food is ready. You won't want it to boil for so much because they won't be crunchy anymore. So this is it. I served with rice. This is so good and delicious.